Less than tittle greater than ETHFIUSDT poised for a breakout or pullback. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart. Moving averages, volume analysis. The current price of ETHFIUSDT stands at $2.155, trading above the 200-hour moving average of $1.86669, reflecting a bullish momentum in the short term. The 20-hour moving average lies at approximately $2.10, and the 50-hour moving average at $2.08, both serving as immediate support levels. This indicates consistent upward pressure, as the price remains comfortably above these key levels. Volume surged to 622,506.2, signaling increased interest in the asset. Over the past 24 hours, trading volume rose by approximately 18%, coinciding with a price uptick from $2.115 to a high of $2.157, underscoring strong buyer interest. A potential continuation of this trend depends on sustained volume increases or a breakout above $2.16. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The RSI for ETHFIUSDT is at 56.37, placing it in the neutral zone but leaning toward bullishness. Historically, RSI levels between 55 to 60 have preceded moderate price gains, with the coin moving 5 to 7% higher on similar occasions over the last 3 months. The recent RSI trend reflects stabilization after peaking near 70 earlier this week, signaling a cooldown. However, if the RSI rises above 60, ETHFIUSDT could enter overbought territory, potentially triggering resistance around the $2.20 level. Conversely, a drop below 50 would signal weakening momentum and could bring the price back to $2.08. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator shows a value of 97.65, indicating ETHFIUSDT is in a sharply overbought condition. In the past, such levels have often led to pullbacks. For instance, on November 12, when the stochastic oscillator crossed 95, the coin retraced from $2.20 to $2.03 within 2 days, a 7.7% correction. A similar overbought signal now suggests caution for short-term traders, with potential support levels around $2.08 and $2.03 in case of a decline. However, if the price sustains its current range, it could signal stronger bullish consolidation. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD line is at -0.011, below the signal line at -0.018, indicating bearish divergence. However, the narrowing gap between the two lines suggests potential convergence, which often precedes bullish reversals. The MACD histogram has also been trending upward, reducing negative values from -0.02 to near -0.01 over the past 12 hours. If this trend persists, ETHFIUSDT could see a price rise toward $2.20. Conversely, if the MACD fails to cross above the signal line, the price might retest support near $2.08. Bollinger Bands analysis. ETHFIUSDT is trading near the upper Bollinger Band at $2.20, reflecting strong bullish pressure. The lower band is at $2.01, while the middle band, 20-period moving average, stands at $2.11, which aligns with immediate support. A breakout above the upper band could lead to heightened volatility, potentially pushing the price toward $2.25. However, if the price retreats below $2.11, it would likely test the lower band near $2.01, reflecting increased selling pressure. Fibonacci retracement analysis. ETHFIUSDT is currently positioned above the 23.6% retracement level at $2.08, with the next major support at the 38.2% level of $1.95. The 50.0% retracement at $1.84 represents a critical psychological level. In previous instances where ETHFIUSDT traded near the 23.6% level, such as on November 15, the price rebounded by 8%, reaching higher levels within 3 days. If ETHFIUSDT holds above $2.08, it could test the $2.30 zone in the coming days. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, ETHFIUSDT reached a high of $3.25 in April and a low of $1.38 in June. The recent consolidation around $2.15 reflects stabilization after the volatility earlier in the year. Average daily volume has increased by 15% month-over-month, with current levels indicating renewed investor interest. If the volume sustains above 600,000, the price could revisit the $2.30 to $2.50 range. Conversely, declining volume might lead to a retest of $2 support. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. From a long-term perspective, ETHFIUSDT has shown strong support near $1.40, a level it has bounced from multiple times in the past 3 years. The current resistance remains around $2.50, which has capped rallies since early 2022. Trading volume has been steadily rising over the last 6 months, suggesting accumulation. A breakout above $2.50 could initiate a longer-term uptrend, while failure to hold $2 might result in a drop toward $1.75. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than ETHFIUSDT currently exhibits bullish momentum, supported by its position above key moving averages, increased volume, and proximity to the upper Bollinger Band. However, overbought signals from the stochastic oscillator and a bearish MACD divergence suggest caution in the short term. The RSI's neutral stance and Fibonacci levels indicate strong support around $2.08, with upside potential toward $2.30 if bullish conditions persist. Long-term resistance at $2.50 remains the key barrier for a sustained uptrend. Investors should watch for confirmation of volume trends and MACD reversals before making significant moves.